Hello, Lakeview. This is Mrs. Greenberg. I teach third grade at Princeton, and the frogs by my house are very loud. So I thought we could do a mindful moment where I don't really say anything, and you can just listen to the frogs. Now, one of the things about mindful moments is that I don't usually like to close my eyes. So if you're the same way, maybe you're always looking for a focal point instead. So I'm going to turn the computer so you can see what I can see, which is just really wet and lots of trees that don't have leaves on them yet. But I thought maybe you would like to look at the screen while you practice breathing. So I'm going to stop talking so you can see what I see. Just breathe in and out. Have a good day.